Hey guys, I'm at the Rutherglen Springhurst Road level crossing in Springhurst, Victoria. This is a 2-gate 3-signal level crossing on the Albury line, which sees V-line trains to Albury plus freights to Sydney and Brisbane, etc. This first signal has a Westinghouse 2149A signal base, a Westinghouse Gate Mechanism, a white with black writing Safetran signal sign, 4 Westinghouse clear LEDs on a Westinghouse crossarm, 2 track sign, a red background crossbuck, a Safetran Type 3 E-bell, a flat gate and 3 gate lights. And this signal over here has a Westinghouse 2149A signal base, a Westinghouse Gate Mechanism, white with black writing Safetran signal sign, 4 Westinghouse LEDs on a Westinghouse crossarm, clear LEDs, a 2-track sign, a red background crossbuck, Safetran Type 3 E-bell, a flat gate and 3 gate lights. The gateless signal over here has a Westinghouse double-sided base, a white with black writing Safetran signal sign, 4 Westinghouse clear LEDs on 2 Westinghouse crossarms, a 2-track sign, a red background crossbuck and a pole cap.